Another version of tower here. This is a small tower. They're inexpensive, that's why. And this one has an actual module here. I'll show you guys this one.
And I was looking at the design about
It's the RTX. That's how big it is, my
Really?
card. Yeah.
It's huge. I think it's like that.
Look at the modules in the front of it. We didn't even see that. I like that one. Let me do this one now. Let's see. This one, we're going to take a look at the front and the top.
Hey guys,
Hey, how you doing?
good. You want a pitch? Our high-end chassis. This is a prototype, early stage prototype.
I like
We're
it.
gonna launch probably around the Computex time frame. So we have a whole family of products coming into the how do you say the ocean view type of style.
Yeah.
Invader X is our best-selling chassis right now.
Yeah.
Actually, Valor Mesh is our entry level. We're gonna have something in that size also for full glass.
Is it magnets in here to open the chassis?
No,
No.
actually, it's.
Let me see.
Uh,
okay.
So you
Is it all based on the motherboard connections on the back too? Do you have that
So this is
ready?
a BTF
Okay.
capable design. This is actually. This
I
is
like
a-
this. I like this a lot.
Actually,
right?
all
Yeah.
of this. This one has
Yeah.
BTF capabilities
Okay.
for micro ATX board. This is also ATX. These we're updating to ATX. Actually, we have a partnership going on with the Asus motherboard team.
It looks very clean. I like this one.
And this is a
Price
very
range?
good
You don't have a
quality.
price range on this one?
$100.
Okay.
Because it's
That's not going to include the displays, is it?
It includes the 5-inch display.
Okay, not that one, of course.
Well, that one is the
yeah.
It includes this.
That's not bad.
And
That's
it
a really
also
good deal.
includes it also includes our RGB.
It's cheaper
box.
than the Hype C version of it,
Yeah,
which
so-
is tempered glass. Yeah, I saw that in MSI right now. They have the same thing too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but theirs is different.
Better for production.
Yeah, it is.
And also for shipping.
I like it. I like it. If I'm gonna get something, I'm gonna get this, something like this.
You know, everybody loves it. And honestly, this is an amazing build. You can't go wrong with this.
So they're going for
300. Yeah, 300. Yeah.
300?
It comes with the monitor.
$300 with the
Is-
small
is it
monitor. Is that
touchscreen
USB?
monitor?
No, this
No, okay.
is USB, so you control it via software. You can design your own.
Yeah, your own icon, cartoon
data.
animation,
We have CPU-Z integration. You can get all the data you want. You can load your.
your wallpapers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I like it.
Anything you like, or how good you are at cable management.
I'm not that good. I'm messy.
This is for DIYs.
I am messy. I just get them up and running.
Exactly.
So then you're gonna like this because
I know you hide everything in the back.
You see, actually, there is a panel that.
Look at the back.
Look how nice. Apart from that, there is a panel that covers the.
Oh, that's so cheating.
No, that's good, man.
For me.
That's a good way to do
You
it.
guys are doing.
YouTube and Amazon reviews.
Okay.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.